Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing. This came in on loan from Lenovo. This is their Smart Tab P10, and this apparently incorporates an Android tablet along with a docking station that gives you Amazon Echo functionality using the A word there. By the way, this came in on loan from Lenovo. When we're done with this, it goes back to them, and nobody is paying for this unboxing, nor is anyone reviewing or approving it before it goes up. Let's take a look at the system specs here. We've got a Snapdragon 450, so it's not going to be a super fast tablet, but I think it should be adequate. It's got 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. Looks like it supports wireless AC and Bluetooth 4.2 and Android 8.1, so it's pretty up to date. We don't see a lot of new Android tablets lately, so that is interesting. Okay, so let's take this thing out of the box and see what comes inside. So here is the tablet portion. This is a media sample, so I think it's been opened before by another member of the media. So they make nice tablets, Lenovo. This one feels pretty nice. It looks like it's got a glass screen on the front and it's got glass here on the back, so you probably want to be careful about dropping it. Very shiny, as you can see. I don't think there's any battery life left in it, but we'll take a look and maybe boot it up and see if it comes to life. There it goes. It's got a little vibration motor in there too for some haptic feedback. So we'll let that boot up. Pretty nice. Let's see what we got for ports on here. We got a USB-C on here. So we'll test and see if you can do anything beyond power with that port. Headphone jack on that side. So you got volume rocker switches here, a nice metal band that kind of goes around it there. Speakers on the top and the bottom. And it looks like it's got a little docking port here, like a pogo plug for connecting up with that dock. So we are presented here with a standard Android interface. So we'll get that going. We're going to have a full review of this soon, by the way, on the main channel at lon.tv. So in here, it looks like we've got the USB charging cable. So it gives you a USB-A to USB-C. And then you've got the power adapter here. Interestingly enough, it looks like the power adapter it has a standard little prong on there. So I'm wondering what you use this USB plug for. Maybe you can charge with both. So apparently, there's a place to charge this maybe. Let's take a look and see on the side. That's a headphone jack. That's an odd choice for... Oh, you know what? This must be for the speaker part. That's what that's for. So this charges... This is for the speaker, and I'm guessing it probably charges through the speaker. So here is the speaker itself. And you've got that pogo plug there for connecting it up. The A word is built in. Pretty nice device here. You've got a nice fabric cover here over the speaker itself. This almost looks like a handle. I guess it is a handle. Huh, that's weird. Or I guess it must be a stand. I'm really blowing it today, everybody. So yeah, it's a stand to keep it stable so it doesn't rock backwards. So that's what that's for. So if you want a little extra stability, you got it. If not, you can keep it in there. And then when you are ready, you drop the dock into this. And I'm guessing after the tablet is set up, it will function like an Amazon A-word device. So we got a lot more to look at on this. And actually now I see why they have that little stand on there, because it does get a little back heavy. So if you want to keep it from accidentally tipping over, I think having that stand out will provide a lot more stability. And I'm going to just end this now before I completely make a fool out of myself. But it looks like it's much more stable now with that little stand out there than not. So that was my attempt at an unboxing of this one. Stay tuned for the full review at lon.tv, where we'll have spent more time with this thing and can be giving you a very informed opinion of it. Lots more to see, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.